Alright. I think I am recording. Well. Hey guys. Today, I wanted to show you guys how it is that I am able to run at least, well, up to 6 individual, independent, virtual PC monitors on my Quest 2. There's a simple trick to this, and it's kind of fun and kind of cool. The first thing we've got to do is go download spacedesk and install one copy onto the headset. You've got to be in developer mode to do this, and you've got to sideload it. I do it right from a browser, so we're gonna go open Edge browser. As soon as I find E for Edge, there we go. And we're going to open APK Mirror because I had some trouble earlier getting this to work with APK Pure for some reason. There we go, APK Mirror. And we're going to find spacedesk. Which is right here. There we go. Close that. I don't know what's going on there. Okay. And from here we can scroll down to the available downloads. I guess that's not really working right. But right here, this is what we want. We don't need the bundle. We just need the APK. The bundle is for use with the APK Mirror installer. If you like to do that, you're free to do so. I'm good on that, I think. So, download the APK sometime. There we go. One download completed. Details. There it is, right there in our downloads folder. Okay, now that we've got that little piece of love and wonder, we've got to go to this handy little website. And we can do this right on our apps. This is clonemy.app. Now, of course, I'm skipping the part where you actually have to install a copy of spacedesk. Okay, I assume that at this point, you know you've got to install the first copy of spacedesk. Well, I guess you don't have to do it yet, right? But let's go to clonemy.app. Clonemy.app. This little wonder right here, boy. This is amazing. Now watch, we're going to go to choose file. Now I have the native file explorer installed. Right here in the downloads is spacedesk. We want to give it a name. We are going to name this copy. Here's a little trick. Let me show you something. If we add something like that little guy right there at the beginning of the name, and actually let's go ahead and go back over here. Thank you. I just want to make one little change there. Spacedesk. I'm going to call this spacedesk 1 because I already have 2, 3, 4, and 5. I used to use an app called App Cloner. And App Cloner is great, but it is a premium app and you have to install it somewhere other than the App Store. You install it straight off of the App Cloner website. It is a good app. It works on the headsets, but clonemy.app works perfectly for this application. and it is free. So, I mean, hard to beat free, right? So now we are uploading our original APK that we got from APK Mirror, and it is beginning the cloning process right here on the website. Doot 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 doot. Moments of truth now. Oh, download the spacedesk APK. Look, oh, the APK is downloaded already. Oh boy, let's install the APK. You can do all of this right inside the headset. Isn't this amazing? Look at this. Watch this install. Ding, 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 ding. Woo woo, winner, winner, chicken dinner. Now, we can just open this brand new spacedesk app. We got to go to our unknown sources. Look at that, spacedesk 1. We can open it just like this. Okay, it's going to start with this funny format. So what we want to do is actually bring it out as big as it possibly can be. Is that as big as it can be? Big as it can be? Yes. Okay. Okay. Do not show this box again. This spacedesk Android app can only connect to a spacedesk Windows driver. Okay, so you've got to connect to Windows. All right. So now we have one connected to Beastie, my primary machine here. We are going to make another connection to Mighty Mouse, another machine I've got over here off to the side. All right. Oh, it did not duplicate the display, but that's all right. It's still a working display. It works as a touchscreen display. You can touch everything you want to. Now, this is just on default settings. You can make a bunch of adjustments to your resolution and video quality. It can display it up to 60 frames per second on each screen. Audio playthrough is possible using spacedesk. I would recommend not using more than one virtual monitor per PC to play back audio, because you tend to get echoes. Let's go over here to settings, choose a custom resolution. Now I should have 1920 by 1080 available to me. I do. Now when I go back in, that Hi. Can I get my screens back, please? All right, well. This happens sometimes when I overload this thing, trying to do things like make recordings and stuff. Hey, look at that. Looks like we're kind of back. Is that better? I am not sure what's happening, guys. All right, well. If the computer's done doing all that, never really had the, well, I've had this happen a few times, but this is because of the headset, not because of the apps being run. If I wasn't trying to beam this back through the computer system and record while we were doing it, it would work a mighty lot better, I think. Now let me see. Did this... Alright, well this time it's still bringing me up to only having a secondary monitor. But I can make changes on the primary monitor from the primary monitor and fix that. Is it something about looking up that way and to the natural light? Boy, I don't know. What if I turn this way? Okay, well. Yeah, and again, I don't know what's going on. This is not due to... Woo! This is something with my lighting or something like that that's causing that strange issue. I think I've got sunlight, too much sunlight coming from over there, and it interferes with the tracking and makes a real mess of things. Right? Ugh. I don't know. Maybe it's my proximity sensor. Maybe I need to turn it off. Anyhow, guys, as you can see, we got another version of spacedesk installed. It runs independent of the original version of spacedesk, which is sitting right there. And I have no idea why this keeps doing that when I lift my head up. It's very, very strange. Anyways, guys, I guess that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this rather crazy, insane, messed up film. Later.
What is this place?
Check this out.
You'd think they'd come up with something
Boy,
better, wouldn't you?
It's very glitchy for
But
me.
you know, they don't
But
expect
I wanted
us
to
to
show
linger.
you guys. Oh, wow.
How long we stay here is entirely up to you.
That I can have 6 fully functional virtual monitors. Ooh, glitchy. Spacedesk 5.
What the fuck is happening to me?
Show
People
that
once
again.
believed when someone dies,
This is so
a crow
bad
carries
for
their
me.
soul to the land of the dead. But sometimes something so bad
Might have to find a
happens
different
that
way to
the
record
terrible
stuff.
sadness is carried with it, and the soul cannot rest.
Boom. Okay.
What are you talking about?
So that's 5
The crow will
virtual
guide you to put
monitors
the wrong things around.
on one PC.
What do you mean? Oh, fuck this. This isn't real.
Evolve
You
1,
stay the fuck away from me.
Evolve
There's
2,
nothing there but here.
Evolve
It's all just a
3,
fucking nightmare.
Evolve 4,
It's
Evolve
just a fucking
5,
nightmare.
Then go wake up.
and number 6. Bink. There we go. 6 virtual monitors. All running off one computer on one Quest 2 headset. I don't know if you guys can even hear what I'm saying, but this
Really?
is pretty sweet.